Hello guys, welcome to you all in this video. Here I will show you how to change the name and password of Bluetooth module. For example, here I am using HC05 Bluetooth module. If you want to do the same thing for HC06, watch my another video. Link given in the iCard and description. Okay, for changing the name and password of this Bluetooth module, we need an Arduino Uno. At first, we need to upload a blank program into this board. Let's see how to upload the blank program into this Arduino board. For that, I am connecting the USB cable with this Arduino Uno board. Now, go to the computer screen. Here, I have opened the Arduino IDE software. To upload the blank program, go to the file section and click on New. Okay, this is a new sketch and it's totally empty. There is no program into this code. We need to upload this empty or blank program to our Arduino. Go to the tool section and check your board and port. If everything is correctly selected, then click on upload button. Okay, done uploading. It means that the blank program uploaded to our Arduino board. Okay, we have uploaded the blank program into this board. Now we need to connect the Bluetooth module with Arduino. For this, here I am using some jumper cable. We will connect the VCC pin of the Bluetooth module with 5V pin of Arduino Uno, and the ground pin of the Bluetooth module will goes to the ground pin of Arduino. The RX pin of the Bluetooth module will be connected with the RX pin of Arduino Uno, and the TX pin will connected with the TX pin of Arduino Uno. RX to RX and TX to TX. We need to add another cable, the enable pin of this Bluetooth module. Here the pin EN or enable, this pin will be connected with the 3.3V pin of Arduino Uno. Okay, now we will give power to this board, but here we need to do a simple job. Here a push button, we need to press down the button and then connect the USB cable. We need to press down the button until the Bluetooth module get power off. Here look at me, I pressed the button. Now I am connecting the USB cable. When the module get power, then release the button. Now look at here, the LED blinking slowly. It means that our Bluetooth module is now on at the AT command mode. Now we will send some AT command to this module to change its name and password. Okay guys, now we will send some AT command to our Bluetooth module to change its name and password. For this, at first I have opened my Arduino IDE. Go to the tools section and check your board and port selected correctly. Now click on the serial monitor. Our serial monitor opened. At first we need to select here both NL and CR, and the baud rate will be 38,400. Now type here AT in capital letter and click on send button or press enter from your keyboard. The module replied OK. It means that it's responding on our AT command. Now at first we will check the default name of our Bluetooth module. To check it, type here AT plus NAME, then click enter, and the module replied that the default name of its HC05, and we can also check the default password of this module. For that, type here AT plus PSWD, then enter, and the module replied the default password is 1234. Now we want to change the name and the password of this module. To change the name, type here AT plus name equal sign, then your desired name. Suppose I want to change the name to Antitronics, so here I have typed Antitronics, then enter, and the module replied OK. It means that the name of this module already changed. Now if you want to change the password, then type here AT plus PSWD, then equal sign, then double quotation. We will type the password inside the double quotation. Here suppose I want to give the password 2525, then press enter and the module replied OK. It means that the name and password of this module changed. If we want to check it, type here AT plus name, then press enter and the module replied that the name is now Antitronics. And if you want to check the password, type AT plus PSWD, then press enter and the module replied that the default password is now 2525. Okay, it means that we have successfully changed the name and password of this module. Now we will check it from our mobile phone. Okay guys, we have changed the name and password of this module. Now we need to remove the enable pin from 3.3 volt and we need to restart the module. Okay, now the LED blinking quickly, it means that the module is now on normal mode. Now we will search this Bluetooth module from my phone. For that, go to Bluetooth option and then turn it on. Now we need to scan. Here my Bluetooth module showing here and its name is Antitronics, which I have said. Now if we want to pair with this Bluetooth module, we need to give the password. We have set the password 2525. Here I am giving 2525 and then OK, and the module get paired with my mobile phone. It means that we have successfully changed the name and password of this module. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.